welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part, so the piano accompaniment part to Maybe I'm Amazed by Paul McCartney. So this song has been used in all sorts of films now. I first heard it as a cover of it on OC, Orange County, it was on there. It's been used in 50 Shades Darker. James Corden did a thing about it on his show recently. So we're going to do this today. So there's basically 2-3 sections that makes up the entire song for the piano part. The full chords and lyrics are linked everywhere down below for this one, so go and check them out if you find them useful. So this one is in the key of D major, so on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D major. Here is middle C, just for reference, just so you know where I've positioned my camera. Some of my most lowest notes will be out of shot, but I am just playing octaves, so my thumb will always tell you the note I'm playing down below as well, but I appreciate not everyone has the lower end of notes. So we'll look at the intro first. So it kind of fades in, and the song fades out as well. So it fades in with a major chord. So I'll teach both hands at the same time, blue, orange. So it's root position of A major, so it's A's in the left hand, or single A if you can't play octaves yet, and then A, C sharp and E. I'm going to play that 4 times. You can repeat the odd note in the left hand if you want to. And then we have D major first inversion, which is D sharp, which is F sharp, A and D over F sharp. You're going to play that twice. And then that turns into D minor over F, so you're just turning the F sharps into F naturals. Play that twice. And then we have an E minor 7. So you're going to play an E in the left hand. There's different way you can do it. If you don't have the hand span to stretch the full 7th, which is E, G, B, D, you could just take out the E because you're playing it in the left hand anyway. And then we have A major again, but it's kind of like broken up. So we've got lower A, E, A, C sharp, E, you break up that. So you can break up in any way. And it sort of slows down, so you've got a writ in there as well. So I'll just do that again from the beginning. And then it's into the verse. So the chord progression we're going to teach you for the verse repeats a lot throughout the song. We have B flat major, so that's the second inversion of B flat major, so B flat's in the left hand, and then F, B flat, D in the right hand. We're going to play that twice. Again, repeat the odd note in your left hand if you want to. And then it comes to F major, root position, so F, A, C, over A, so A's in the bass. Play that twice. And then it comes up to C major, second inversion, so G, C, E, with G's in the left hand, twice. And then you're going to bring the C and E in to B and D, and that gives you G major over C. So far we have Maybe I'm amazed at the way you love me all the time. Then the next bit we go back to the B flat major again, F over A, then you play play the C major chord, and then we've got this chromatic scale in the left hand. So if you don't know how to play chromatic scale properly, I'm going to teach you that now. So you just use these 3 fingers. Your third finger is used to play the black notes only. So we're going to use your thumb on C. We're going to go 1, 3, 1, 3, 2 on the E, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1. So it leads up back into the B flat major chord. So I'll do that again. So chromatic scale, if you haven't guessed already, you just play all the notes. So I do what we've done so far. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you love me all the time. Maybe I'm afraid of the way I love you. And then into the B flat major chord again. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you pull me out of time. So there we have, after the C we have G over B this time, so you move the left hand to B. Back to the B flat major chord, and hold me on a line, F over A. And then we have an A flat major chord. So second inversion of A flat major in the right hand, so that's E flat, A flat, C, with A flats in the bass. Play it twice. And then you're going to play E flat major over G, so E flat, G, B flat with G in the bass, so E flat major root position. Play it twice. And then we have that C major chord again. In whatever rhythm you feel like playing it. So I'll just do it after you've done that bit. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you pull me out of time. Hold me on a line. Maybe I'm amazed at the way I really need you. Then it'll be into the chorus. So I'm going to do all that from the intro now.
Hi there, just quickly before we continue, if you are enjoying the video so far, please consider hitting that like button and say hi in the comments section below. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing, you know where the button is, and make sure to hit that notifications bell so you're notified every time I upload a new tutorial and you can be the first to learn. I've left a load of playlists in the description as well to get you started. I hope you enjoy the rest of the tutorial and let's continue.
Okay, so the chorus now. So you're going to play D major. It's played in a more like a staccato way. So we have second version of D major, so that's A, D, F sharp with D's in the bass. And you play that 4 times. And then you keep the left hand on the D, and the right hand plays that A major chord 4 times. And you turn the A major into an A minor, so you drop the C sharp into a C for 6 times. And then 2 times you stay on the A minor and the left hand comes up to F sharp. Like that. So far we have maybe I'm a man, maybe I'm a lonely man who's in the middle of something. And then we've got G major, root position, G, B, D. And he doesn't really understand. And you're going to play a quick C, D. And then we've got this like that, which he doesn't play the same way every time, so it's kind of like a manic moment, and you can choose whichever way you want to play that. And then the notes we've got there is an F, F sharp, and D, so it's going, and it's like left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, right. Or sometimes he goes just whatever rhythm you want. I'm not going to be strict about it because again, he doesn't do the same thing every time. And then it's back into the D major again, so you almost do that again. Maybe I'm a man, maybe you're the only woman who could ever help me. Maybe won't you help me understand? So there, it's the same chords as the intro. So we've got the D over F sharp, D minor over F, the E7 chord, and then we actually have an A7 chord. So that's A in the left hand, and then E, G, C sharp in the right hand. So I'll do all that chorus now. Maybe I'm a man, maybe I'm a lonely man who's in the middle of something that he doesn't really understand. Maybe I'm a man, maybe you're the only woman who could ever help me. Maybe won't you help me understand? And then we have this C sharp diminished, C sharp, E, G, C sharp, which I think is actually what the guitar plays, but it's a cool little thing to put in there. And then it's the solo, so the guitar solo, so the piano just plays the same as the verse. And then we're into the second verse. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you're with me all the time. Maybe I'm afraid of the way I leave you. Maybe I'm amazed at the way you help me sing my song. Right me when I'm wrong. Maybe I'm amazed at the way I really need you. piano, actually, you can arpeggiate that, so it kind of slows down a little bit. And it's into the solo, another solo, so you just play the same chords as the verse. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you'd like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.